Hi, do you want to know what is the best email marketing service? I make over $85,000 a year with this service and I've been using it for 6 years. It has powerful tools to develop and automate engaging email campaigns. In this short video, I'm going to review to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but that makes it really the best in the best email marketing service category. And now, with a visual example, I'm going to show you everything in detail. So let's jump to business.
Boasting over 600,000 customers and counting, Constant Contact is considered one of the fastest growing and largest email marketing software providers in the market. Many have praised it for its versatility, nice selection of attractive templates, and other advanced features. Constant Contact's email creation feature allows you to customize your emails that match your branding. The best part is that you can do so by simply entering your website's URL. You also have the option to use their built-in templates alongside the drag-and-drop editor to get started. Even if using a template, you still have a lot of editing options such as adding images, videos, polls, and social sharing. Emails sent, opened, and links clicked. Constant Contact provides statistical reporting which offers deep insights into your campaigns. This includes the number of emails you sent, how many of them are opened, how many have their links clicked, and more. All these are viewable in a graphic display which you can see in your account. You also have the option to export into a spreadsheet based on the data you need. Deliverability rates and delivery by time zone. Constant Contact has an impressive deliverability rate, even surpassing that of popular brands like MailChimp and Aweber at approximately 89%. It also supports time zone scheduling to allow you to deliver your emails across varying time zones. Creating and importing email lists. You can create your email list at Constant Contact with ease. You can include up to 50,000 subscribers, although it requires signing up for the most expensive plan at $335 per month. You can also import your current email list from Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, and various CRM tools. Alternatively, you can upload a file containing your email list in either XLSX, TXT, CSV, or XLS format. Split tests and A/B testing. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any built-in automatic A/B testing feature in Constant Contact. However, there is a subject line A/B testing function, though you will have to manually create each campaign you wish to test. This can make it somewhat complicated for newer users, although it becomes easier once you've familiarized yourself with the process. Personalization. Constant Contact does offer customizable templates that you can modify with unique fonts, colors, and images. However, personalization is largely aesthetic, as it will only allow you to insert your contact details or a simple greeting. Reporting and analysis. Reporting is one of the Constant Contact's key features, as it allows you to see the overall performance of your emails. Key analytics like sends, clicks, bounces, opens, and more are shown in a single graph. This allows you to easily compare each metric side by side in real time. With every campaign you have, you will be able to see the more granular details which might affect their performance. Engagement report. Constant Contact's reporting tools give you immediate visibility into your campaign right after sending out your emails. You will be provided with a graphical view of all the important statistics, like open rates, click rates, bounce rates, unsubscribes, did not opens, and more. Heat maps. The heat map are a recent and useful addition to Constant Contact reporting and analytics. I find it very helpful as it lets you know which part of your email your subscribers are interacting with and make better decisions for future campaigns to improve your engagement rate. Are you wondering if eGoi can help your email marketing campaigns and automation? This eGoi review from a real user will help you. What is eGoi? eGoi is one of the email marketing services that you can use in 2021. It is available in many languages. eGoi email marketing service gives a different approach to email marketing by integrating email automation, mobile, web services, chat, voice, and social media campaigns into one online marketing system. eGoi. eGoi can help you grow your leads and automate the process of acquiring customers. eGoi is an easy-to-use and very powerful email marketing platform that allows you to send emails containing all types of content. No restrictions. With eGoi, you can create emails in few simple steps. Get subscribers' contacts, create emails, send emails that get delivered, analyze the results. It is a fact that email marketing is the most effective of reaching your audience. Researchers indicate that email marketing has the highest returns on investment. Whether you are getting started with email marketing or you have been doing it for years, Egoy has a solution specifically formulated for you. But why should you use Egoy email marketing? Keep watching this Egoy review. Egoy is an efficient time saver. The essence of email marketing is to save time and spend your time doing other things that an email marketing software cannot do. Egoy helps you in automating the process of capturing, sending, and analyzing your email campaigns. Egoy sends automated push notifications for unopened emails. Let's say a subscriber has not opened the latest email that you sent to her. Egoy has the capacity of texting the subscriber a smart SMS. How cool is that? Egoy can also send a push notification telling a subscriber about the email. Egoy delivers emails to inboxes. Forget about email marketing tools that send emails to the promotions and updates tabs. Worse still, some of the email marketing software out there send emails to the spam folder. If you want your emails to hit your subscribers' inboxes, then you need Egoy. Egoy follows international email service regulations, which guarantees delivery of emails to the inbox while preventing spam. Egoy has a ton of free newsletter templates. Egoy email marketing platform gives you several professional email templates to choose from. You cannot go wrong with Egoy email design templates. The templates are ready and easy to use. You can easily customize the emails the way you wish using an intuitive, simple editor. The best news is this: Egoy is compatible with all email readers, all smartphones and tablets. Egoy is a great way of automating your email marketing. With Egoy, you can automate your email marketing campaigns using autoresponders. It helps you in selling deals and automating the customer's life cycles. Capture all leads using Egoy. Egoy email marketing provides nice reporting. Get down to business and analyze how your email campaigns are doing. Egoy allows you to know who opened your email, who clicked a specific link, who bought your product, who bounced back, etc. Egoy will help you in monitoring your customers' actions and all online behaviors exhibited by your customers. This will help you in making better investment decisions that will enhance your sales. Egoy Forms allows easy capturing and tagging of email addresses. The idea of email marketing is all about capturing emails and creating a connection with your audience. How can you do that without having a tool like Egoy Forms? The ready-to-use and easily customizable Egoy Forms makes the process of capturing mails blissful. Growing companies will appreciate that GetResponse has re-engineered its offering. It is now a complete marketing solution, not just email marketing platform. In other words, you can now find features such as CRM and webinars on GetResponse. GetResponse will also offer you access to a very impressive library of templates, over 500, and free stock images, over 1000, as well as a convenient and intuitive drag-and-drop editor where you can change the templates however you want. Again, GetResponse excels at split testing and subscriber segmentation, areas that will be especially important to experienced marketers. Get ready to take off your email marketing campaign. GetResponse is your one-stop shop for all your email marketing needs. With lots of cool features, useful tools, and hundreds of great-looking templates, you can easily launch your email marketing campaigns. If you're a beginner, worry not. GetResponse has a fantastic editor that's easy to use and intuitive. This will create a perfect email for your subscribers. With free photos from iStock, QR generator, and social integration, you can be sure you're in safe hands. Why GetResponse? Incredible and intuitive template editor. Informative and convenient training center, equipped with great features. Check out why working with GetResponse will bring you results. Everything you need to create and run an email marketing campaign is in this platform. Additional features such as a QR code generator and list building are already included in the package. The list editor and Get Subscribers is a great way to reach new and relevant audiences through emails. Pay for each lead and watch your list grow throughout the evening. This feature is worth every penny spent. Smart technology allows you to send emails from spam or junk folder and gives results. To learn more about these features, see the link here. Regardless of the chosen tariff plan, all functions are included in the package. Drag and drop settings make life easier. There is nothing complicated or confusing about using GetResponse, as everything has been designed with the user's need in mind. You will find a wonderful template editor, like a breath of fresh air with hundreds of professional templates, many features, tools, and flexible customization, so that you will definitely have everything at hand. The editing process is also simplified with the use of a drag-and-drop tool that will allow you to easily move and delete images, text, and videos in your template of choice. We give GetResponse a complete victory for its incredible user interface and the template editor they created. You will love to create your own letter template, and it will shine among all the emails you send. Let your subscribers feel the passion with which you create, design, and send newsletters. 2 thumbs up and 5 stars for the user experience. Prices. There are 4 types of tariff plans, each of which has full range of functions and is billed monthly. Each plan is based on how many subscribers you have and how many you plan to send emails to. This means that you can send an unlimited number of emails every month. While we can't help but marvel at the great features and customization GetResponse offers, we were sorely disappointed that we didn't find a free lifetime version. However, they offer an excellent service compared to other email delivery services, which is an essential feature for any person or business just starting out. We believe it's important to spend some time building your list, sending emails, and really getting a feel for the world of email marketing before purchasing a subscription. Basic $10 a month, plus $34 per month, Professional $69 per month. We really can't stop admiring the great service that GetResponse has to offer. A contact phone number is provided for both US and overseas UK users for foreign nationals wishing to use their services.